Hello everyone. My name is Alakdeep Singh, and currently I'm fourth year student pursuing information technology engineering. Okay, so who I am? First of all, let me tell you that I am creating this channel. The channel name is Dry Run Code with Alakh. Okay, so who I am and like what is about myself. So gonna tell you everything in this video itself, and why I am creating this channel, and why it will be beneficial for everyone, uh, for who are like preparing for their placements or for their any type of exams, and like I will gonna teach over here data structures and algorithms, and I will also teach various technologies in through which you will get help. Okay, so now I will tell you that who I am first of all. So my name is, as I told you, Alakdeep Singh, and I'm final year BTech student. I already said you, and I'm quite good in like data structures and algorithms. I've solved 600 plus questions of DSA, and with that too, I'm full stack developer also. Like I'm mon stack developer. I have good knowledge of this mon stack. I've created project on that, and also I've cracked off-campus internship in Blackfig technology as a software development internship, and with that too, I was also the Google DSC lead last year of my college. You can read about myself over here. You can just go and search Alakdeep Singh in LinkedIn, and you will get. You can see this URL. You will get this in my YouTube channel also. Okay, so you can just read the bio section. I will read this, that why I'm creating this channel. Okay, so being a college student in 2022, I have given, so today is the last day of 2022, 31st. Is today is 31st, like December. So today is the last day. It's been around 11:52. So it's 8 minutes left to go into the new year of 2023. So why I'm creating this channel, and like why? So let's get it started. So being a college student in 2022, I've given 10 plus interviews of top companies and startups. Okay, off campus, like as this time was recession time. Like look at this recession, we can say that there is a recession, but the person who has skill, the student who has skill, they are also getting the jobs. Okay, after like applying 100 plus or 200 plus companies. It's just that we have to be patient, and we should be applying consistently, then we will get. Okay, so yeah, we can say recession was like quite bad, but yes, let's come to the point. um, so I've given 10 plus interviews. In one of the company was Geeks for Geeks, IND Money, and Bajaj Finserv Health, Blackfig Technology, etc. There are many companies for software developer engineer role. After applying like around 100 plus job opportunity. So for proper guidance, I have created this channel. The channel name is Dry Run Code with Alakh. You might have named the like you might have listened the name of Alakh sir, Alakh Pandey sir, physics wala. So my name is also Alakh, so you can follow me to help student and working professional. I have mainly created. So I mainly create on data success algorithms and various technologies only. Okay. So now come to the point that what is my work experience. So I'm gonna start my internship from 2nd January onwards in software as a software development in Blackfig technology, as I already told you. Okay. So as in December, I have opened this channel, and I'm technical content writer also as Geeks or Geeks. Like this is to like it's normal, it's not nothing. I was also the DSA and full stack mentor. I was also the problem setter, and so this is all about me. You can just visit my profile and check about myself. Okay, so now now come to the point that why I have created this channel. Okay, so I have created this channel because what happened in my journey, in my till now journey, what I have faced issue is that I haven't got any perfect channel to prepare DSA. Okay, there are a lot many channels. I'm not like doing and saying anything bad about any channel. It's just that there are a lot many channels that are really, that have really very good content. Okay, let me name some channels. If like for example, this is not any promotional. You can see I have only one subscribers, so I don't have any promotion. So let's say Striver Bhaiya. So he has very good content. Okay, okay. So there are a lot many like currently Coding Ninja, and there are a lot many that have very good um, content. But what I have seen, this is my opinion, what I have seen, the lack is the depth of the question. Correct? The depth of the question. If they will teach you something, they will go in depth, but they will not implement practically in depth. What I mean to say is that, let's say there is one DSA question, let's say there is one some data structure algorithm question, let's say it's a type of array. Now, like they will teach a question, they will like they will tell us the about the question, and they will also teach us the you can say solution. They will also tell some dry run also. But the main point come on dry run itself. In starting onwards, students can't able to understand the code. One like big codes. There are a lot many big code. Let me show you some codes. Uh, then only it will be good now. Let me show you my repository. Why I'm going here and there. It will just take a second. Yeah, so this is my repository. Over here I have I've done I've done every topic. So over here I have taken like put in the course. Okay, so now I will tell you something. Let's talk about binary tree. Okay, now if you are doing binary tree, then in the starting there might be some like there might be some things that you can't able to understand. Okay, now let's say here is one code. Okay, so you are seeing this code. You can see that I have created the class, public class, and in that there are various you can see the binary left, like there are various. I've created this, so data will be going over here. Okay, so it will going to this data. Now what about dry run? Dry run means on different test cases you have to dry run the code, because without dry run you can't able to understand the depth of the code. You can't able to understand what this line is doing, what this line is doing, what this line is doing, or let's say what like I mean to say what every line is doing. You can't able to understand. So it comes from the practice. Like in starting we have to dry run in notebook itself, correct, so that we can understand each and every line of code. And after understanding we have to write the code by our own self, or like by first of all seeing the code and then typing, and after that. So what I'm trying to say is that you should know the every line of the code, what is behind the code. Because if you know, like if you're writing hashtag include bits std, like including this header file, then why are you including this only? Why you can't just include iostream, or why you can't just include like hashtag include like there are a lot many. So why you can't that, why only this? So this all comes in, the interviewer can ask anything. What I try to say is the interviewer can ask anything. Now, if you don't have clear your basics, then how can you answer the questions? Correct. If you don't have the understand in basics, so how can you answer the question? So you can see this code. So I have also written the output of this code. Okay, so this was the output of this code. There are I have tested in different around four test cases. So you can see how many test cases, four test cases. So what I will look the length of the code, how much it's been around 100 like 120 line of code. So if you don't have the knowledge of every line of code, then how can you able to understand the code? How can if you don't have the knowledge, then how can you able to write the code in the your somewhere like compiler or somewhere? So this is what I'm trying to say is that I will go in the depth of the code, and I will teach in the depth. So this channel, that's why I've named this channel Dry Run Code. Means you will be going to in depth. You don't need any prerequisite. Correct. I will be gonna teach. The video length will be big. If you are like I'm if you're if I'm saying the there's no prerequisite, then for example, if you are seeing this code, let me show you that code once again. Okay, now if you are seeing this code, sorry, not this. Yeah, let's say if you're seeing this code now, in this I can't able to say you that that go and learn about oops concept and understand the class, what is class, and go and learn what is void function, how does it work. I will not gonna teach you sorry, I will gonna teach you all these things. like from depth. I will gonna teach you. I will not say that go and visit this video, go and visit this video. So you don't need any prerequisite. Correct. What I'm trying to say is you don't need any prerequisite. So this is what I like.
Hi everyone, my name is
Sorry,
Kevin and
sorry,
today I
sorry,
want to show you how you can record your computer screen.
sorry. So what I'm trying to say is that you don't need any prerequisite. Just come in my video now. Just come in my video, watch my video, understand full concept. That's it. Now, one more thing. Like today's, I'm telling you, it's sorry.